Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Cody from Rack Attack, and I'm here to bring you a brand new Yakima cargo box. Behind me, I have the Yakima GrandTour 16 cubic foot box. We just took these off the truck and popped one on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee to check it out. So far, we're pretty impressed. Yakima's new removable torque limiting knob allows us to mount this on any style crossbar. Doesn't matter if it's an aftermarket crossbar or an OEM bar, it's fully compatible. New optimized spacing between the rear tailgate and the back of the cargo box allows for plenty of room and more versatility with getting awkward gates on. It opens up on driver's side or passenger side. SKS compatible, which means you can still key it alike with all your favorite Yakima components, and it's also made in the USA. Now the box stands at 18 inches tall off the top of the crossbar. It's 35 inches wide, 79 inches long, which means in ski terms, a 185 centimeter ski, which is pretty good size ski, and you can carry quite a bit of gear. So let's open up this box and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back. Here's the Yakima GrandTour 16 cubic foot cargo box, 18 inches tall, 79 inches long, 35 inches in width. Has a dual key system, so it opens up on either side, one side at a time. Once the key is turned, that latch opens up and allows you to open up the cargo box lid. Now, inside there's plenty of space to load gear, from cargo bags, luggage, skis, and all the good stuff. Here's this mount and the knob to take it on and off the vehicle. So that conveniently stores right on the inside of the box so you never lose it. Cool feature is when this is completely tight, it's like a gas cap. You can actually hear that click in. Now the knob goes back in and stores in. The box closes down. Watch this latch. Pops back up. Key turns and releases. Overall, I think this is a great cargo box for carrying gear. Sold in the gloss black. This is the 16 cubic foot. They also have this in an 18 cubic foot.